Okay, this is the, remember that I had some leftover right there. So what I did, instead of putting everything in, get overflowing, so I had left more second round of it. I told you we have two of those pie crust, so I used the second one. And what I did, the color is a little different because I just wanted to give a kick. What I did, I put like about two regular spoons, or 2 to 3 spoons of it into this. Well, this is what I got from, I think that was from either Costco or BJ, and I want to eat healthier, so I got this, and I just put 3, not the teaspoon, the regular 3 spoons, and we're gonna try it. That's why it's a little more brownish. I am gonna cut this up and see how it came out to be. It's a little watery because it has frozen blueberries. And I'm gonna cut a piece and see how it looks like. The other one is not ready yet, the one we made. So I am gonna use this. I don't think it's not gonna look that pretty, but I don't know about you guys. I'm not here to present it to somebody else. This is for me, so I don't care as much. There we go. See? You see the blueberries? So if you can take a look, do you see this? That's the sweet potato. On top of, there's like, you know, the cheesecake and the peanut butter powder, and they had eggs and plain Greek yogurt and a little bit of milk too. And so that's how it looks like on the side. Okay.
Okay, and other side.
Same thing. It's okay. So that's how it looked like. I'm gonna try. Oh, blueberries are good. Let me try a little bit of it. So I want to eat both. It is a good idea. I put sweet potatoes. It gives a lot of flavor. There's no sugar added, even though there was some sugar, the blueberry filling that had added sugar to it, but I didn't add any other sugar except maple syrup. I think there was like 2-3 tablespoons, which isn't too much, and it's still sweet. I don't know about you guys, I like it. So I'm here to boast about, you know, I could bake. The reason I'm doing this, let me tell you why I'm doing it. I need to cut down on sugar, and I really have a sweet tooth craving a lot, and I love dessert. So the dessert they sell outside, there's too much sugar, there's too much stuff that I shouldn't be eating too in order to stay healthy. So instead of trying to buy it, I'll spend that much money, or that money, to make my own, to know, so that way I know what's gonna be in my pie, and I will try to make it as healthy as possible. I'm not saying, well, cream cheese, how can you be healthy? Well, I used to eat cream cheese, the one that was really thick, so I reduce amount of cream cheese I eat. So it's one way for me to eat healthier than before. Well, maybe eventually I will eat something without any cream cheese. That I don't know, but the reason I'm sharing this is you gotta find out what your weakness is for preventing you from being healthy. Find out and try to improvise, so that way you still get the craving or whatever the issue you have, but in a little healthier way. That's the purpose of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to try my recipe, I'll post the recipe on it You can try it or improvise the way you want it. It's add and subtract whatever you don't want or you don't have. I just add a lot of those stuff because I had at home. So you don't have to be, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. But bon appetit. Thank you.